Okay, this is something we've been waiting to do for a very long time.
And the time has finally come. We put out the survey, we read all your responses, and we are ready to announce our very first group trip. And we are going to, drum roll please. We're going to Thailand! Yay! We are gonna be going to Thailand and visiting Bangkok and Chiang Mai. And in this video, we are gonna tell you all of the details you need to know, okay? All of the plans, the pricing, the everything. So get ready.
And if you've been watching our channel, we love to do travel experiences, the food, the culture, and other types of experience. And we always say that travel is best with the right people.
So what better way for us to experience these things, but to bring along our favorite people? So that is why we want you guys to come along with us. So this trip is gonna be from November 6th to November 13th. It is gonna be an 8-day experience, experiencing both Bangkok and Chiang Mai. And everything's already done for you, okay? You do not have to worry about planning. There will be guided tours, there will be immersive dining experiences, home-cooked meals, massages, a little market shopping. So you will really get to experience full Thai culture without having to do all of the heavy lifting yourself.
And don't worry, they'll actually be time to and relax and enjoy Thailand as well.
It won't be a full, digital nomad work every day. It is gonna feel like a vacation, but we wanna make sure that you get to experience both sides, the activity side and also a little bit of rest and relaxation.
So you get to unplug and also travel with us in Thailand.
So here is the part that I think we're most excited about. We were able to get this amazing experience all for such a wonderful price. The early bird pricing will be available for 2 weeks, and you can come on this trip with us for only $1,900. And that includes your hotel stays, the transfer train from Bangkok to Chiang Mai, a ton of food, breakfast, all of the activities and tours. And as someone that's been traveling for a few months now, I think that's an amazing deal.
It's a great price.
And honestly, I think that's pretty good for everything that's included.
Yeah, that's an amazing price. And all you have to do is put a 30% deposit down and then pay the rest over time.
And remember, the early bird pricing is only for 2 weeks. So if you want to get the lower pricing, definitely sign up ASAP.
We're starting in Bangkok, and we're gonna start with the welcome dinner where we get to meet and connect with everybody that comes along. And then we're gonna hit the ground running. We're gonna do a floating market, a railway market, and then a tuk-tuk street food tour.
And I don't know if you guys have seen these railway markets. I think you've seen them on TikTok, but I'm very excited about this. It's the same one where the train goes by and you're sitting along the side of the track. Okay, that is probably one of the things I'm most excited for. Then when we leave Bangkok, we're heading over to Chiang Mai. And in Chiang Mai, there's even more activities planned. In Chiang Mai, we will be doing night markets, visiting waterfalls. There's even an optional Thai massage if you want to experience that culture. We're also going to be having a locally cooked family style dinner in the northern Thai style of food. So that will be definitely a really special treat for us. So you might be asking, who is this trip for? Who should sign up for this trip expeditiously? And this is what you need to know. If you're someone that's been wanting to travel, especially travel Southeast Asia, but you don't want to travel alone or do all of the work of planning, then come with us. What better way than to explore with people that have been in Southeast Asia for a few weeks and also get to hang out with like-minded travelers. And
if you're somebody that just is ready to unplug and need a break from the everyday hustle and bustle, definitely come along with us and visit Thailand.
Also, just if you're a subscriber of the channel and you want to come hang out with us, we want to hang out with you. So definitely come along, and there will be plenty of opportunities for us to have group dinners and just to really get to know each other, and maybe you'll make some lifelong friends along the way.
Or make a lifelong decision to do what we do.
I'm just saying. If this sounds like something you're interested in, head down to the description and click on the link for all of the information. Here's what you have to remember. The early bird pricing starts now for the next 2 weeks. You can get your spot early and save some money. $1,900 for the early bird pricing, and all you need is a 30% deposit to secure your spot. And remember, those spots are limited, and if they sell out before the 2 weeks, then that's it, and it'll be a higher price. So you want to sign up early.
So if you have any questions, please comment down below, and we can't wait to see you guys in Thailand.
All right, that was it for this video, and we will see you guys next time. Bye. Thailand on 3. 1, 2, 3. Thailand!